It's a stage 4 in a sense. I've managed to put another desk in, bench. I need to put a centre leg and a centre leg. Remove the sink temporary, even though I finally stuck the back in and the side. I've decided to remove the sink because it's doing me head in. I want more space there, so that's going to change. In here, set up a temporary workbench around the saw so we've got more space to work. So we'll cut the 8x4 sheet, we've got support. Right, I got distracted earlier, but since I got distracted, a lot's cracked off. But yeah, this was a very good idea of ours. We did actually have beams coming across here after I got distracted. And the same to support these a bit better, and we actually had the miter saw on here for a bit to give us a bit more workspace while we work. Since then, yes, the sink's gone, it's changed again. I've spun it around and I'm just currently building the frame for this area. So I could put a bit of worktop there so I actually get some work surface rather than just a sink. Managed to put this bit of bench up, legs, move this. Yeah, so I need to put a leg in the middle here and then put one in the corner so I can have double doors there. There'll be a single door there that goes back. Double doors here, double doors here, double doors here. Thinking of putting a divider there once this worktop's in, just so it sort of separates the kitchen from the work area. Managed to get one of my PCs here. Not much has changed really since yesterday, apart from done them workbenches, waited for the wood. We couldn't finish this, I wanted to get this back together, but the paint was still wet. So I put a heater, it's not plugged in at the minute. But until, I don't know if you can see, some areas are still a bit wet on the floor, so I can't put the carpet down. When I got back this morning, there was just a pool of paint down this wall where it just run. You can see where it's sort of run, but I've gone over it with a brush, try and scrub some of it out. There's finally got the wood. Still got 4 big sheets of 18mm, 1 6mm. The 6mm to back this section off here, and then I'm gonna have a couple of shelves once that's back together. I've got some 2x2s, loads more 2x2s and 2x2s. I actually need to get a couple of 4x4s. So I'm gonna make a rolling table. I want 2 rolling tables here, 8x4, so total of 8x8 or 4x16 workspace, depends how I position them. These pieces here, I'm actually going to use to put a bench across that wall. I'm going to leave this wall on bench for now and do another 8x4 rolling table for my CNC. So I'm going to actually try and update my CNC to make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I'm sure. Still need to mop the floor, but in comparison to how it was yesterday, just after I'd sprayed, it's 100% better. So yeah, it's the latest update. Oh, there's my little frame I've just been building to join that area up there. Every wall's on the piss, so I've got 3.5-degree angles here. Just need to get some screws. I've run out of long screws to join this together. I might just be able to get away with it with some I've got stashed. But like I say, that's going there. Now the problem I have is before, I don't know if you've seen the video before, there's a little bit of kitchenette there. It might have been earlier in this video, I can't remember. But I'd stuck all this on this morning and I ended up ripping it out. I've ended up putting this support in here, just extra support, just because the sink drops a little bit there, so it's a slight opening at the back. But now, where the sink comes, this is 3.5-degree as well. That's going to go straight across here, and I'm going to have just a silly little strip here. But if I put the sink right up to the wall, then I've got like an inch gap at the back here down the side. And I don't want just a small gap for water to run, so I'd rather have brought it over a bit to just get a bit of worktop to help that. But now the worktop's going to have to come across in a strip. and then out to the 2 foot and across. So that's going to be fun. Anyway, it's the latest update. I know it's a bit long, rambling as usual, but hopefully rather than just showing you update videos, I can start showing you actual build videos. Just need to get a bit more organised before I do, because I'm sure a few of you will be interested how I actually figure out these angles. There's angles everywhere and it's not easy. Anyway, enjoy.